ElevenLabs recently introduced something that might completely change how AI workflows are built. It's called Flows, and it lets you connect multiple AI tools together in one single workspace by using a node-based system, which removes the hassle of downloading and re-uploading of files and assets across multiple platforms and multiple tools. With the new Flows in ElevenLabs, you have everything in one place. You have access to the best AI videos, AI images, and upscaling models in the world. This saves you hours of time in your creative process. Let's get into it. In ElevenLabs, select Flows in the left toolbar. In the top right corner, you can create a new Flows. Now, before I do that, I'll start using this powerful tool. I don't want you to get lost in the walkthrough and get overwhelmed by it. So first, I'm going to do a very simple, basic, and easy to understand breakdown of how Flows essentially works. Don't let the interface scare you. It's actually pretty fun once you start using it. So here we can see multiple nodes being connected to each other with strings. What does this actually mean? Now, to make it easily understandable, I'm going to name these nodes as cards. We're going to call them cards. So each card contains an AI model, and these strings there are lines connecting one card to another card. Essentially, one AI model to another AI model. That's what a node-based system is, to put it simply. Now, each node, each card contains any AI model. It can contain an image model, a video model, AI model that allows you to upscale your videos and images to higher resolutions so your asset looks crispy and sharp. Now, let's look at what's right in front of us. The final result here is an advert for a beverage. Let's go back to the very beginning. So this whole thing started with this single image. So let's say you found an image that you like online. Maybe you like the outfit of what the person in the image is wearing. So you can just drag and drop. After downloading the image from the internet, you can just drag and drop it right here in your workspace. And there you have it. Your image has now become a node that you can connect to AI models to have it do things for you. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. So as I was saying, this started from a single image. The first thing we do is, after dropping this image here, we connect it to Nano Banana and then give it this prompt. Extract every outfit from this and put it on a white background. And that's exactly what it did for us. It extracted all the outfits and the items in this image that this person is wearing into a plain background for us to use. From there, we have another. So this is our character that we're going to be using. Connect the image of the character into a new Nano Banana node. Connect your outfit as well. And now that we have both elements here as reference, we can give it a prompt to wear the outfit. And that's how we get this base image for the advert. You can try multiple variations and then choose which one you like up here. Up next is our actual products. Connect the products and character into one node and use them as reference like before. Then make the character hold the products. So far, we'll be using Nano Banana as the AI model in this walkthrough. That's because we need to lay the foundation first. We'll get to animating pretty soon. We can also use the product image as it is now and make it better by putting it on a really nice background. That white background, isn't it? Then branch off at the same time, even while it's generating, and have Nano Banana edit the base image of our character holding the can. Here, we just made his head bigger. And then another variation where we make the can bigger instead. The reason for this is purely so we have multiple options and all kind of choices to play with leading up to the final render. Now, if you follow the process up to this point, you have enough to start animating. And we can start with the new product image and animate it using a video model. For this, Kling was used, but as you can see, you have the options to choose View 3 and other video models. Pretty nice, huh? If you are not using Flows to achieve this, you would have switched between platforms or websites by now. Quick one, If this workflow is already making sense to you and saving you time, hit the subscribe button. Next up, we have him throw the can up using Nano Banana with the base image of our guy holding the can. Then connect it to a new node. But in this new node, select Topaz as your image upscaler. It's good practice to upscale your image before animating them, as it helps the video model animate with higher resolution and overall higher quality. Now with Cling in the new node, we can easily prompt that it throws the can in the air using the upscaled image as reference. More image generations were made here. For example, we have a prompt saying he's sitting on a mountain of cans. We get pretty nice outputs. Upscale with Topaz, then animate with Cling. Having him do this gesture with the can and giving him some camera movements. This is my favorite shot after the mountain of can shots. It's a close up and he's drinking from the can. Upscale it with Topaz, then animate. Nothing complicated. It's a repeatable system, and that's exactly why node-based workspaces like this one are needed. Imagine having to switch to Cling's native platform, then Topaz, then to Google Flow or Gemini to use Nano Banana again. It would be a hassle, and at the end of the day, I'd be drained and tired. But optimized tools like ElevenLabs Flows make the process fun and hassle-free. Now, using the previous image where the can size was gigantic as reference, we can animate it for the opening shots of the adverts. But first, don't forget to upscale the image in a new node. It kisses the can, camera zooms in. That's it. You can download the final assets you actually need. There are also smaller projects where you need the simple final shots and don't need more than 2 models, like this one, which made use of Nano Banana and Veo 3. You can do that in Google Flow. Ironic that the names are kind of similar. Your settle is the cut. You can generate your images and switch back to Veo 3 for animating right here in Google Flow. You can watch my video on how to use Flow and Veo 3. It's appearing on your screen right now. But for complex projects with multiple shots that need different AI models, like the beverage adverts, ElevenLabs Flows will save you. By now, you should have gotten the gist of how to use it. You create a new flow, click to add a node, select the AI model, input your prompts, create a new node, connect them, and you keep iterating. If this gave you value, hit like, share, and subscribe. It helps. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.